National President Jakaseng National People's Party, Conrad Kesangma, ulang bakaseng NPP kan penyang Kyrtong, habaralai tadi ki konsensi ki banyak konjek election Shiteng Samoi hakajala. Kini kilong kemaurin keneng, kemauplang, marka raja bala. Laban kada hang ni baka election commission kala Pynbna mata kasngi baka election Shiteng Samoi shikani ki laitali ki konsensi kan nong hakalai poterik urisau araja arhuai, baka jing yang buat baka nong hak atrik unaiwing araja arhuai. Kajing tak buat sekini kita like konsensi kan long hadian baka jikla no jong ba debit nongorong na pok morang keneng ba eskesun na pok moflang ba Dr. Azan Saman na raja bala konsensi ke bahak popok West Hills District.
We will be having a meeting and we will be finalizing and approving the candidates. Some of the candidate list has already been approved. I think the president must have released it by now. If not, then by today evening, the names of the candidates will be released from the party side. The commission has decided and put these dates. So therefore, it's in the wisdom of election commission to do that. And they have, I'm sure, followed all the procedures and given the necessary time for all their aspects. So really, I don't want to comment on the decisions. So whatever the case may be, since election commission has announced it, respective political parties will, I'm sure, plan accordingly.
Are you happy regarding this election? We understand that the 30th of October was supposed to be mid of October. Do you think there will be any problem for the state?
Well, we cannot presume that things will happen. We don't know. But of course, whatever the situation may be, even during election time, I'm sure election commission will give us protocols to be followed. So all the concerned candidates and parties will have to follow those protocols. And as I said, since election commission must have taken all those points into consideration and accordingly announced the dates.